The loudest plans in the room are usually the weakest. Think about it. The man who talks about his idea all day never finishes it. The man who announces his business before it exists never launches it. The man who tells everyone his plan watches them execute it instead. Real power does not shout. Real power does not announce. Real power shows up through a move no one saw coming, through a result no one expected, through an impact that speaks louder than any words ever could. When you keep your mouth shut, you keep your power. You turn your progress into an unstoppable force. Most people do the opposite. They leak their energy. They leak their plans. They leak their power. One conversation at a time. One post at a time. One announcement at a time. But not you. Not anymore. Today, I show you the architecture of mystery, the blueprint of silence, why your silence is your greatest weapon, and how to use it to become unstoppable.
Most people stay quiet because they are afraid. They are scared. Scared someone will steal their idea. Scared someone will copy them. Scared their secret will be discovered. That fear is weakness. But that is not what we do. We do not stay silent because we are scared. We stay silent for precision. Think of a lion before it attacks. The lion is not hiding because he is weak. The lion is quiet because he is focused. His entire being is concentrated on one thing, the kill. He does not roar. He does not announce. He does not perform. He waits. He watches. He focuses. And when the moment comes, it is over. The lion does not waste energy on noise. He saves it for impact. This is what you must become. When you stop talking, you stop leaking energy. You stop wasting your power on words. Instead, you collect it, you build it, you concentrate it, and you become a person of weight, a person who matters, a person whose presence commands the room, not because you shout, but because people feel your silence, your focus, your power.
Listen to this. This is the most important role. I call it the pressure cooker effect. When you have a big goal, a real goal, do not tell your friends. Do not post it online. Do not announce it. Keep it inside. This creates pressure, real pressure. Not the comfortable feeling of announcing it, but the uncomfortable feeling of keeping it secret. That pressure forces you to actually do the work. It pushes you, it drives you, it demands action. But when you talk about your goal, you release that pressure immediately. You feel good, you feel relieved, you feel successful. But you are not successful. You have done nothing yet. You have only talked about it. And by talking, you have released the fuel that would have pushed you to finish. This is why most people fail. They feel the pressure building, so they announce their goal. They get validation, they get encouragement, they get likes. But they lose the drive, they lose the hunger, they lose the obsession that turns dreams into reality. The pressure cooker is your weapon. Keep that pressure inside. Let it build, let it grow, let it consume you. It will force you to create, to work, to finish. Build in the dark so you can win in the light. This is the rule. Never break it.
People will ask you questions. What are you working on? What's next? When will you launch? Can you tell me about it? They will ask and ask and ask, because the world is hungry for information. The world wants to know your secrets, but you must be careful. You do not have to be rude. You do not have to be cold, but you must be careful. Give them a simple answer, a vague answer, an honest answer. I'm working on something. You'll see it when it's ready. That is enough. Never show them your map. Never explain your strategy. Never reveal your timeline. Let them see the results later. Let them be surprised. Let them wonder how you did it. In a world where everyone shares everything, where everyone posts every move, where everyone announces every decision, the person who says nothing is the person who controls the room. Think about it. If everyone is shouting and one person is quiet, who do people listen to? The quiet one. Why? Because silence commands respect. Silence demands attention. Silence shows strength. So when they ask you, just smile and say nothing. Or say something simple, something vague, something honest. You'll see. That is all they need to know.
We are 87 members strong, 87 people who understand, 87 people who are done with the noise, 87 people who are building in silence. If you are ready to stop seeking likes, to stop seeking comments, to stop seeking attention, and start seeking leverage, you belong here. You belong in this village. Comment respect below, not because I need validation, but because you need to make a decision right now. Are you choosing silence or noise? Are you choosing power or performance? Are you choosing to actually build? Comment respect if you are choosing silence. Subscribe to claim your seat before we hit 100. This village is growing, and it only gets stronger as the right people join. This is the path, strategic silence, the power that nobody teaches, but everybody needs. Now go, build in silence, win in the light, and come back and tell me what changed, because something will change. Go now.